AppFlowy and Affine. Which open source productivity app wins? Choosing the right open source productivity app can transform your workflow without vendor lock-in. AppFlowy and Affine both offer unique features for managing tasks and notes efficiently. AppFlowy and Affine are open source productivity tools designed for task and project management. The core difference lies in their approach. AppFlowy focuses on customization and privacy, while Affine emphasizes seamless collaboration and knowledge linking. AppFlowy is an open source alternative to popular productivity platforms, built to prioritize user control and privacy. It offers a modular interface where users can customize workflows, manage tasks, notes, and databases without relying on cloud services. AppFlowy works by letting users host their data locally or on private servers, ensuring full ownership. Its strengths include high flexibility, privacy-first design, and active community-driven development. However, it is still maturing, with some advanced features and integrations under development. Ideal users are those who want a customizable, secure workspace free from proprietary restrictions, especially developers and privacy-conscious professionals seeking a self-hosted solution. AppFlow's architecture supports extensibility, making it suitable for users who enjoy tailoring tools to their specific needs while maintaining data sovereignty. Affine is an open-source productivity app focused on combining note-taking, task management, and knowledge linking into a unified workspace. It uses a graph-based approach to connect ideas, tasks, and documents, enhancing context and collaboration. Affine operates through a user-friendly interface that supports real-time collaboration and integrates smoothly with existing workflows. Its strengths include powerful knowledge management features, intuitive linking of information, and built-in collaboration tools. However, Affine may require a learning curve for users unfamiliar with graph-based systems, and its open-source nature means some enterprise-level features are still evolving. The ideal user is a team or individual looking for a collaborative environment that blends task tracking with rich contextual note-taking. Affine suits knowledge workers, researchers, and teams needing to interlink projects and ideas dynamically while fostering collaboration. When comparing AppFlowy and Affine, consider your priorities. AppFlowy excels in customization and privacy, making it ideal for users who want full control over their data and workflows, especially for self-hosting scenarios. Affine shines in collaborative environments where knowledge linking and contextual task management are key. For solo users or privacy-focused professionals, AppFlowy's modular design offers flexibility without reliance on cloud services. In contrast, Affine's graph-based system benefits teams and knowledge workers who need to connect ideas seamlessly and work together in real time. Both are open source, but AppFlowy is better suited for those comfortable with technical setups, while Affine provides a more polished collaborative experience out of the box. The trade-off comes down to customization versus collaboration focus. Choose AppFlowy if you prioritize privacy, customization, and self-hosting capabilities for a fully controlled and flexible productivity setup. Opt for Affine if collaboration, knowledge linking, and an integrated workspace are your priorities, especially for team environments. Both apps offer powerful open source options, so select based on whether customization or teamwork drives your productivity needs.